Hello. Hello, guys. Whoever's here. I'm so happy to see you again. Let's just wait a little few minutes so we can gather some more people. Thank you for being here. Cortana Lopez, how are you, Cortana? Welcome back. How is it going? Let's just wait one more minute so we can get started. I mean, this the lesson will be public, so you can see it wherever you want. Oh, there's a new schedule, Cortana. So Wednesday, no, what was it? It's Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday only. Monday and Friday are 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 gone. Okay, 4, 6. Okay, I think we're enough. We're enough people here. So I was last week I was in a restaurant. I mean, with social distance and my mask and everything, and I saw that most of the restaurants that were in the area had a QR code, which is very intelligent, very smart. If you think in the in the social distance, and because you have to be aware of your establishment, it has to be clean, it has to be cleaned up in the tables, chairs, and everything. So today I want to show you how you can create a QR code, print it and put it in your menu, in your, let's say, in the napkin box, I don't know, in the napkins. So whenever the customer arrives, he just takes his cell phone or her cell phone and read the QR code, and then they see the menu. Okay, before we do that, I wanted to talk to you also about the other social distance uh, technology that is, it's on your hands. I mean, you can use it right now. It's available at ordering, and it's very helpful. You know, in these unforeseen times, I mean, you have to be very caution about that social distance that you have to use due to COVID, of course. So another, let me share my screen. Another social distance apart from the QR code, it's one power up that we have enabled already. We have it ready for you. I mean, you just have to get it. It's cheap because we understand that a lot of your investments have been a little low, or some of you have gotten also the chance to grow. However, the power up that I'm talking about is, let me go for it. By the way, one more time, I'm Mauricio. This is Ording University. It happens Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, same time. This time, um, same channel. I change the URL every day. Well, YouTube does, and I can do nothing about it. But I will be here. Okay. If you have any questions, just type in the chat, and at the end, I will be happy to answer everything. Okay. Okay, let's go. Power ups. You click in power ups, and then you have the tab called logistics. And here you have the power up called contactless delivery. If you click, if you click here, it will redirect it to the paying website. Okay. This is one-time payment. This means that when you pay $99. That's it. You will get it for life. What is this? This contactless module is going to show this kind of delivery options in your website and apps. Okay, it's going to show like this, telling the driver or the business owner uh, how the customer wants this order to be delivered. If they already paid, let's say in credit card, and they don't want to even touch the boxes, they will come up, see the delivery, and they will spray it. There's a lot of people doing that. I don't think it's going to be like bad to say, wrong to say, but it is a way people are getting delivered stuff like Amazon. When you get the box of Amazon, you spray it with some Lysol or something like that. Okay, so delivery options. You can meet the driver outside, in person delivery, or no contact, leave the order at my door. These options will be available for your customers to select it. It is only $99. I mean, it's for life. It will show like this in the business and delivery apps, which I think is very, very helpful. And it will add some value to your business because you're understanding how COVID is affecting everyone. So bear this in mind. It's very important. Okay. This is one way that I wanted to mention to you. The other way that we have are the kiosks. The kiosks is something that we released about 3 weeks ago, and it's this kind of machines. Okay, it's this kind of machines that, I mean, every time one customer orders, you have to clean it up. I mean, or you can leave like something spraying on it, but it's very helpful for the customers not to feel like awkward talking with the desk, with the person taking the orders, or something like that. This is another way that you can um, help your customers to order from your business, because you are offering them a way to not go so physical, not like before. I mean, it's coming very common. It's becoming like common to be this way. It's just the way it is. We cannot do much about it, but we just have to to play with it. Okay, this is one way. The other ways, you already know them. It's the website, are the apps. So if the customer experience in your website and your apps is the best, social distancing is just right there. I mean, this has been like this for a few years, so it's very helpful. I recommend you, if you are missing some cool designs or user-friendly experience or something like that, we have the department, the developers department ready. So I recommend you to submit a quote to get a custom work and design or something. It's very important for you to be trendy. You have to be better than your competitors. I will add the code right here. So if you want to do some changes in your design, like this, these are some designs that we have already done. You see, these are very cool. I mean, these are friendly and it works. Amin Ahmadi, how are you, man? How are you? How are you? I'm very good. Thank you for asking. Today we're talking about social distancing technology that you can use for your business. So if you have any question, go for it. If it is not related to the topic, I will leave it to the end. You know how it works. I have talked with you a lot. Welcome. Welcome. So the website is the same, make it trendy, you know, make it very, very useful for your customers, and you will have no problem selling everything that you have. If you have tablets, you have to the POS also. You can use the POS in order to not even let the customers touch any screen, like the kiosk. You can take the orders from them. So there's a lot of ways. Let's see what else we have. Kiosk in restaurants. And this is the most important thing that I wanted to talk to you about. Remember at the beginning I was talking about how I saw a QR code in a napkin. Well, not a napkin, like a plastic something paper. So I read that QR code and it opened the menu. So it was very helpful for me. I didn't have to touch any menu and any paper touched by some other scans. So I'm not very like picky about it, but now in these times, yeah, I am a little bit. So what I saw was that I can create a QR code very easy and for free for for my restaurant's menu. So there are a lot of apps that can help you create QR codes, right? But you can select whichever you like. I will just go and search for something in Google and let's see what we can get. So I will log in because I want to see my menu. Mauricio is the one. Not related to the topic. I mean, go for it. Go for it. I will leave it at the end. Don't worry about it. What is this? Oh no, this is not the one. Ordering University. This is our demo, guys. Okay, let's say the pizza place. We have a few. Yeah, we have a few here. Sorry about the noise in the background. Sorry about it. So this is the menu, right? This is the menu that we have. Let me see if I can. Ah, it's very annoying. Sorry about that sound. There's nothing we can do. We're at home. Okay. Well, bear with me. Focus on me. Let's just look for QR creator. Okay. Free. It's very easy. Google Ads is giving us the right focus on the thing that we are looking for. This is a this is a free QR creator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the pizza place link for to the menu. I'm going to paste it here. I want to generate my QR code. Now I can transparent background or whatever. I can download it like this. This is going to be in a white background. So check this out. Let me plug in I will show you my phone live. This is very cool. Give me 1 second. If you read this code with your phone right now, it'll work. It'll show my pizza place menu. Try it out if you want. Okay, this is my phone. And check this out. I'm going to go in my camera. This. I will read the QR code. That. I will open this. And as you can see, this is a phone. This is a phone. Okay. It will open. My internet is very bad. I don't know why. And I am seeing the menu right now. You don't have to create another website. You don't have to do something like the menu on Instagram or something like that. I also saw that in another restaurant. I don't use very Instagram very often, so it was like, okay, how do I use this? However, I know you are using it daily. And as you can see, this is my device. You already have, if you're a customer, you already have your website, you already have your menu. So you can create this kind of QR code, paste it in a very fancy way in your napkin or in the bottle of water or something like that. And you can give the customers that sensation that the place is clean. You can eat it every day. You can order to your place. There's a lot of things that you can work with. with the new like normality. I don't want to say it like that, but it is kind of the way it is. So yeah, guys, these were some social distance technology that you already have. This is simple. Um, the only one that has a cost is the contactless delivery power up. We also talk about how to use the QR code, which is the most like is the friendliest way that I can think of. I mean, everyone has a device and everyone a cell phone or tablet, and everyone has the QR reader. It's already there in your devices, so it's very easy. You just read it, go to your menu, and then you're like, okay, so this is the way it works. This is the menu, etc. And that's it. Oh, we have a phone call. Forget it. Let me know what you think about it. Okay. I know this will be very helpful for you. So if you have any comments, just just let me know in the chat, and I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions, guys. It was my pleasure. That's the end for me. I'll be jumping into questions. Let's see. I mean, give me your question. I'm ready. Humble, humble slew. Excellent. Yeah, this is a very helpful method, and it will be very helpful for your clients. For example, imagine these guys at the pizza place. This won't happen anymore. I mean, maybe next year, in a year and a half or something like that. But sitting so near from each other, it's very unlikely. So imagine you have some beers with the QR codes. It will be very cool. You have to imagine new ways to sell your business. I mean, it is growing. The delivery e-commerce softwares are growing. So if you have one like ordering, I of course I'm going to recommend ordering. You have everything to get some success and growth to your place. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go into Q&A. Okay, here, as you can see, I changed my scene because it was very annoying that side of my house. Okay, let's see. Deep State, how are you? This is Marlon, right? I think I remember. Yeah, that's amazing. I just tried. Now imagine, Marlon, you just print it just like that. You print it, put it flat, make sure it is very flat, like I don't know, like in some maybe some kind of very steady base, and that's it. Any customer that comes to your place, even if you have it maybe on a screen in the counter in the first how do you say it, in the entrance of your business, if you have the QR code and you put, hey, read this is a menu, use your phone, something like that. That will be, first of all, that will be very cool because not a lot of business are doing it, or maybe not here in Mexico. I'm in Mexico. Maybe where you are, it is already like a trend. But yeah, I will highly recommend that. I will highly recommend that. What are your questions, guy? How do you feel? How do you feel, Cortana, Amin, Humble, Marlon? What are we thinking? If you have any ideas on about how can we improve maybe some of our products or something, please let me know. Um, there, the developers community have growth. That's very cool. Thank you everyone who joined. I don't know if you are already there, but it is very helpful. Developers, let me share you. There are some tips. I have answered some questions that you had there. Um, this is the developers community. If you want to take a look, uh, and I'm so happy that you're still here with me. So let me know. Questions, guys? Anything. Now is your time. I will give you, let's say, 3 minutes or something like that. Remember, the schedule changes for the Origin University. The schedule changes. Now it's Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Same time, same channel. The YouTube link changes. However, if you are subscribed, you will get the notification. when we are going in Q&A. Okay, so I highly recommend you to be subscribed so you don't miss any of these classes, guys. Okay, thank you very much. So, questions, guys, please let me know. Now is your time. What are we thinking? Please let me know in the chat. I'll give you 3 minutes, okay? 2 more minutes. Today, the topic was social distance technology and strategies for your store, for your restaurant, for your um, bicycle place, for your anything, you know? Marlon, it worked. That's very cool. And you just tried it. Remember, you can use any software that does something like this. I mean, the one I just found is because Google had sent it to me like at the beginning, and it was free. So just for the test, it worked. There are thousands of QR code creators. That's for sure. Let's say I have three stores in my marketplace. The stores get rotated automatically. Those stores get rotated. What do you mean? Let's say I have 30 stores in my marketplace. What do you mean by restarting the order that they were created? Oh, the listing accommodation, the arrangement is by distance to the closest, the nearest to the farthest. That is the way it is arranged. However, if you have featured businesses, let's say for example, check this out. I have here my oh wait like this. I have here my stores and everything. As you can see, this this McDonald's business is at 0 kilometers from me. However, as you can see, these three are featured. That is why those are coming first. Another tip that I can give you as a business owner is that you can sell subscriptions to your businesses to be featured at the top of the list. If you have 30 restaurants, you can say, okay, if you want to be at top five, we have the featured uh, power up. I don't know how you want to sell it, and you can sell them like that kind of subscription. I don't know. That's some ideas. I mean, we are here for the money, so that is one idea. And as you can see, these are sorted by distance, closest, uh, closest to farthest, and this is the closest, but it's not featured, and this is very far away. However, it will be the same as this one if it was featured, or if this wasn't featured. You can feature it very easy. You go inside the business. The thing is in more extensions, feature, and that's it. You feature your business. That's it. That is the way it works, Marlon. Guys, anyone else have any questions? Or Marlon, do you have another one? Or can we wrap today's lesson up? Please let me know. Thank you very much for everyone that was here. Please make sure to subscribe because you don't want to miss any of these lessons. Also, please send me your ideas, your recommendations. What should we talk about? How can we like improve these kind of lessons that we give at ordering? Please let me know. Please let me know. Are you talking questions about the app today? Not. We are Tori. Hello, hello. by the way. We are not talking about the app. However, if you have any questions about the app, type it, and I'll be happy to answer it, to answer them. Please let me know what you're thinking, Tori. Tori. I mean, you never asked, or I never got your question, so please type it one more time. Remember, don't send links because YouTube doesn't send me links for some reason. I don't know. I will be happy to check them, but that's the algorithm. Algorithm. How do you say it? Algorithm. Something like that. The coding, the code of YouTube. Cool. Thanks. Okay. If all of our stores are for restaurants, can we hide the other types of businesses in the menu navigation? You can hide them, Tori, yes, but it is you will have to go um in your builder in the developers tool. And let me see something. Yeah, I got you. Let me look for something. I remember we have talked about this in the past. Let me see if I can find the class very very quickly. Um, give me 1 second. Sorry. Actually, let me share my screen. Okay, videos. It was types. Uh, business. What was it called? I remember. 31. What number class is this? 56. That's very cool. Um, business. Let me see if we can find the tutorial for you, because you will have to get in coding. You will have to do some coding. So types. I can find it. I think we don't have it. So yeah, that is one way, Tori. Tori, you will have to get in your developers tool inside your builder, like this. You will have to get, let's say, ordering website, the developers. Oh, you already know? That's very cool. Then I think those are in the product lead, where's business lead, something like that. I think this is one. Download original. Or you just look for it very quickly. I don't think I have the answer right now, but oh, here actually. As you can see, Tori is the business list, and here we have the alcohol, groceries, laundry. You just comment them, and that's it. Only business type food is going to show. You know how it works, I think. Okay. Try it out. If you have any issues, do not forget you can create a ticket for us and we can help you out. Okay. Marlon, can I have all my stores on the one kiosk, or is it done catered to one specific store at a time? So since the kiosks are for by store, I mean the screens are by store, um, it's only by restaurant, because when you get in the kiosk, I mean when you get in the restaurant and the kiosk is there, you click to go or dine in, I don't know, and then it shows only the menus for that particular business that you are ordering from. So it is by store, Marlon. I mean, if you need it for a marketplace, just explain us how will that work. I mean, if you are in a food truck, how do you say it? The food truck camp or something like that, and you put a kiosk in the beginning of the food truck or something like that. Maybe a kiosk will work like that, but share your idea with us. Um, Send us a quote. Oh no, no, not a quote. It's kiosk. Oh, kiosk. I have it here. What am I doing? Okay. Okay, here. Chat with one of our agents. They will explain you how will that will work, and maybe we can do something very cool for you, Marlon. Tori, yeah, that is a way. You're welcome, and thank you for being here. Okay, guys, that'll be it for today's lesson. Remember that I will be here tomorrow, same time, same channel. Um, let's see what we can talk about. Remember, if you have any recommendations for me, just let me know, and I'll be more than happy to search and do some digging, research, and everything for the topic. Okay, have a great day. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Please subscribe because I don't want you to miss any of these classes. These are very cool. This will help you to grow your business and to have success. Okay, have a great day. See you tomorrow. Ciao. I mean, you never grow the answer, so I think you will be sending me a WhatsApp very soon. Have a great day. Ciao, guys. Thank you for being here. Bye bye. Be safe. Be safe. That's very important. Ciao.